my coffee chef. Huh? Thank you. Wonderful. Oh, very hot, huh? Whoa. So hot. Thank you. I'm struggling because I'm not a coffee drinker, but I wanted to try, you see. Give it a try. Lovely. Oh, thank you. Ooh. Piping hot, folks. Piping hot. I'll have to give it a little break. Well, something that I don't drink. It's sort of like a Nescafe, I think. But it's a lovely taste. It's got some, I don't know, some authentic Indian type of a taste. Fabulous. Folks, this is a coffee machine here. Fully automated. Just push of a button, you get the coffee, but there's no yards of coffee or yards of tea. It's just straight out of that machine. Push the relevant button you wish, right?
Like it's a cappuccino, sir.
Cappuccino, whatever. Yeah. Lovely. There you go. And it's all done. But the gentleman usually keeps it all. There we have it. Milks are being formed. Everything is being formed. What a difference from a street side coffee store to an exclusive 5-star, 7-star luxury hotel. Lovely.
Sir, coffee.
That's tea, right?
No, 1 second coffee.
Coffee is coming.
Good.
Oh, lovely. Look at that. Look at that, folks. A yard of coffee. Thank you, sir.